What's up guys? Today we are going to install the ZL1 1LE's first mod, maybe only mod. It's going to be a ported throttle body and a Rotofab intake. My friend's going to sell a ZL1. He's barely put any miles on it, and so I'm going to grab the intake and throttle body from him, and he volunteered to install it, so that's fine with me on these hot summer days. So let's get to his pad. Ported throttle body, Rotofab intake, this gigantic filter. Time to go in. Or you can hear a whistle almost like. Yesterday.
It feels good. It's crisp.
Yeah.
It's responsive. Ready to turn.
Yeah.
Just turn. It's so much better than it did when it was new.
Yeah. I'm almost at 2. I'll get there.
Notice as it gets more mileage.
Yeah. Alright guys, it's freaking crazy hot today. I really like the way it sounds. You can definitely hear the supercharger whine even when you're downshifting, you know, when you're blipping. And it just has a different kind of sound to it when you give a little bit of throttle. Like you can hear like some kind of suction, a little suction of air. Obviously it's a better intake. And obviously I'll have more videos on it. This might be my first and only mod. Well, I should say mods, because it's a ported throttle body and an intake, so it gets better air into the motor. But this might be it for a while. I mean, don't expect much. I think this car is a pretty complete package, and the most important mod to me right now is driver mod. You know, once I get more comfortable with that and I feel like I could use more power, then maybe I'll look towards it. But this is kind of why I bought this car, is because it's kind of a complete package for me. There's a ton of power, great suspension, tires, you know, smaller wheels than most cars that have, you know, 20-inch wheels or whatever. And it's just more complete, and I have to do less, which I find is what I want right now. But I hope you enjoyed it. This wasn't a how-to install it or anything. I just wanted to show doing some work on the car, and that's about it. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and check out my Amazon store if you're into detailing, and that's about it. Thank you.